Good day, everyone. I'm Ian Rasa Salvador. So, so now I'm gonna discuss what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to learn, solve problems, and make decisions. It is trending due to advancement in machine learning, big data, powerful computing, and automation. AI enhances productivity, improves human-computer interactions, and is widely used in industries like healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. With growing investment and research, AI is rapidly shaping the future of technology. Let's go to the next one. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer system capable of performing tasks that typically requires human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI: narrow AI or weak AI, AI designed and trained for a specific task such as image recognition or language translation. And the other one is general AI or strong AI. AI with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding and performing any intellectual task that a human can. So, what are the example of narrow AI? So, example of narrow AI is um for Apple is Siri, if you're familiar, or in Android is Alexa. That is the example for narrow AI. For general AI, um, like for example is from Iron Man, um, Jarvis, that he can understand what the human can do. Like he has very many um he's very intelligent, like Jarvis, for example. And let's proceed from components of AI. Machine learning, subset of AI that enables system to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. Neural networks, introduction to artificial neural network inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. NLP, computer vision robotics, brief description of other key components contributing to AI capabilities, including NLP, computer vision, and robotics. AI application, healthcare, automotive, gaming, finance, and sorry, customer service. So for healthcare, we know that it's very advanced, very convenient, because for healthcare we have the, like, for example is the um like medical mobile, that if you cannot go to hospital, they can go to your homes, like that. For automotive, um example is like Tesla can, like, self-drive for you, even there's no driver on the driver's seat. For gaming, I think the um the quality and the quality and the performance enhanced by the AI. For finance, AI can do it now. For customer service, yeah, like for PLDT, if there's some problem, your AI can just do that for you. Mm. Challenge in AI development. Data quality, AI system heavily rely on quality data for training and decision making. Security, risk of AI system being exploited or manipulated for malicious purposes. Interpretability, interpretability, understanding how AI system arrives at their decision. Autonomous autonomous system continue developers develop self-optimizing AI system. Human AI collaboration, enhancing human capabilities through AI augmentation rather than replacement. Ethical AI, increased focus on developing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and aligned with human values. And that's all. Thank you.